Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. Thank you for joining me today. On this episode, I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. Maybe it's a clap. Damn it. We've been living in this house for about 10 years now. And for years, when it had a heavy rainfall, the room on the other side of this door would flood. And what this is a converted carpool that somebody, previous owners, converted into a room. And we call it our garden room because there's concrete floors and a sink and stuff like that, so we might do some gardening in there. So when it flooded, the water was just on concrete, and it was easy to suck up with the shop vac and then dry with a mop or a towel. But that got annoying after a bit, so I worked on the threshold. I put a new threshold with caulking. We even put up the storm door. So last summer I took a sledgehammer and my roto hammer and I broke up the concrete pad that we had, and you know what? That did the trick. So what was happening, I guess, is water was hitting the concrete pad, and then it was seeping in from underneath or in the sides. I have no idea still to this day how it was getting in. But we've been living with this makeshift stepping stone entryway all winter long, and it's dangerous. It's dangerous. So today I am going to make some concrete forms out of 2x4. I'm going to pour 4 stepping stones here, and we're going to put some rock in the middle and around it and kind of make it look nice and less dangerous. Let's get started by clearing this out and getting ready for our concrete forms. I also discovered that our transfer station, our junkyard recycling center, will take concrete blocks for free. This is the plan I've come up with, and I've pre-cut all my 2x4s, and now I'm going to pre-drill all my holes so I won't split any ends, and I'll be able to unscrew the form after the concrete is poured, and we'll pull everything apart easily, hopefully. I'm going to use these 3-inch decking screws. Let's see, I'm sure you can. You see me? I'm doing it the difficult way so I don't have to crawl on the floor the whole entire time, so we'll see if this works. And now for these center pieces, I'm just going to pre-drill and kind of toe screw it in. I'm gonna do it just like that. All right, now that we have our form done, it's time to put it in place. Still doesn't work. See a lot of videos of people using rock. We just went down to the beach and got some sand. I just wanted to make sure that I covered these edges here so the concrete doesn't spill out everywhere, and I use less concrete, and I think it's good drainage. And I wet everything down just to soak up the water, so the wood will soak up the water instead of the water from the concrete. And I don't know, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. So I got this edger. I don't know when I should do it.
It seems to be setting up a little bit, the first one I did here. So I'll give it a try and see where we're at here.
I don't know what happened there. They're not the prettiest. But I think I'm going to take my orbital sander with some 60 grit sandpaper. See if I can't sand these down and make them look a little prettier. So I bought a couple of these at the depot, along with some plastic spikes. Thought is I'm going to cut them to length, put them here driving the spikes, and that's going to hold my rock that we got at another beach. Yeah. Thank you, Mother Nature. And just like that, I need another 5-gallon bucket of rock. Yeah, no. that's going to conclude today's video. I really appreciate you guys watching. It's not perfect, but it's my first time and I'm pretty proud of it, and it's way, way, way better than it was before I tore into it, and of course better before after I broke it all up and we had these silly stepping stones that were a tripping hazard. But this is going to be a nice, it's perfect. It's a nice addition, and it's just really nice to be able to walk off of that and onto the surface of the inside without doing any stepping and stuff. And I believe I got plenty of drainage with the rocks. I'm not going to have any of that water issue when it rains inside the room here. So till I make another video, I'll see you again then. Thanks again. This is Gary, the Bearded Woodworker. We'll see you guys later. All right, bye.